Hello mga kayopi! Welcome! So, I'm currently driving going to Robinson. So, Handyman Robinson as our Black & Decker pressure washer has been I call it faulty. I think 3 months ago. So I bought that Black & Decker pressure washer to clean. I mean, to clean the garage or clean the house or clean the car. I mean, but unfortunately, after 9 months, it's hindi siya gumagana. So luckily, meron siyang warranty for 1 year. So, but it takes time due to this COVID pandemic. So the repair took me around 3 months. So they call me now. They said that I can pick up the unit. So let's see how was the condition of our Black & Decker power washer. So siya na yun yung pinaka exercise ko, yung paglilinis eh. So I was not able to clean this past 3 months the car. So I'm just going to the car wash shop. But once this been get, so I will clean it again. Hey guys, we're inside already of the Robinson place. So I'm going to the Handyman. As you can see naman here in Robinson place. So kakunti ang tao. Time zone is closed. So yeah, we will ask Kuya. Black & Decker. Oh. So we are waiting to get my unit here. So we're in Handyman Lipa. So Kuya, gawa na. So finally nagawa na rin. Finally! Black & Decker. Anong siya?
Ano sir? Defective computer ito. First na in-install po mo, twist na isang piraso saka extension po. Bali, ito po, parang bago na sa inyong, wala akong balot niyo sa inyo.
Wala.
Wala balot.
Sinaktan yan? Kasi yung unit?
Hindi nga.
Yun, nagawa na rin yung black.
Wala ka sa balot.
Hindi kailangan akong pilapan din kuya. Ang tagal din ang inabot yan.
Tapos na rin. So,
ayan.
kailangan ko yung black & decker. Dito na hanapin si Kuya. Thank you sir. Salamat.
Thank you. Okay guys, so nakuha na natin yung unit. This one. Medyo mabigat siya. Tsaka may bagong nozzle na kasama. Pinalitan na rin. So we will try this out and see if na-fix nga na ba talaga. So let's see if that is. So this is it. So I'm just going to the car park. So hindi naman ganun kadami ang tao ngayon sa mall. So yeah, just to show you guys that people naman is not crowded here. May gulo nga pala ito. Wow, pila ang pen shop. So sale ang pen shop. Ilang tao sa pen shop. Meron. Yeah, hi guys. So I'm currently in the car. So I ran earlier because it is raining here in our area, and so I'm planning to clean later, but since it's raining, so I'll just test it out to show you guys. It's already fixed, and this Black & Decker seems the unit is not so good because it's less than a year it's been broken down. But the good thing is their service is quite good. So it has a warranty, so they repair it. Unfortunately, it's just due to COVID, it takes time. But now they say that if you have some issue with your Black & Decker unit, you can just message them on Facebook, on their official Facebook page, then show the receipt where you bought it, and they will pick it up at your place. No need to go to, let's say, like what I did. I just go to Handyman and bring it up. They said that no need to bring it to Handyman or to the store where you bought it. just message them, show your official receipt, and they will pick up in your area. That's great, right? So then they say maybe in less than a month, you may get the unit faster. So guys, so yeah, so we are at home now. So we will now test this Black & Decker that has been repaired. So this is a powerful Black & Decker. So you can also put some soap on it. So there's a container that you need to attach. So it will create a bubbles for your car. And also the strong nozzle is adjustable one. So let's try it out if it's really working now. So I already plug it in. Hope you can see me, guys. So this one, so they also replace a new nozzle. So you can see it's a brand new nozzle. So still in the plastic shield. So they changed this thing as well. Let's try. Let's try. It's quite powerful. So you can adjust the nozzle like that. So it will remove the dirt. Or if you want a strong one, you can clean. You can write. So it's working, guys. So yeah, so we can clean, not today because it's still dark, so it will still rain, so we will clean the other day. Okay, thanks guys. So it's working now. So Black & Decker have a good customer service. They even call me and they even do the follow-up. It just happened that due to COVID it takes time, but for others they are quite responsive. Okay, thank you, bye bye.